YouTube! Thanks for joining us for another one of our videos. My name is Mariah, and today's video we are going to be talking about how to blow up your double stuffed 5-inch balloons. So if you watched any of our other videos about double stuffed inflation, those were with your standard 11-inch size balloon. So actually the double stuffed 5-inch balloons, which are your little minis, are going to be a little different. So today we're gonna work with an aquamarine color and an ivory color. So we're gonna put the aquamarine inside the ivory. If you haven't checked out our double stuffing video, it's pretty easy, but you should definitely check that out on how to do that. But this is it here. We have our aquamarine inside our ivory. Now normally we would, have our nozzles and we would pump it up on here. Of course my thing is not plugged in right now, but it doesn't matter because it's not gonna work anyways. It's either gonna be a really big struggle or near impossible to do it even with a nozzle on your blower. So what you're gonna wanna do is put this aside and you're going to want to grab a hand pump. So basically the reason that it's so difficult to do it on here, even with a nozzle, is kind of the same reason. The necks, as you can see on the 5-inch balloons, are really, really long, and then the main part of the balloon is pretty small. So it just can't make it through 2 long necks when you have them double stuffed like that, even with the nozzle. So go ahead and grab your hand pump. These are awesome. You can get them online. You could go to Party City, which is where I got this one. And what you're gonna do is just hold it on there. I usually do 3 pumps roughly. Those hand pumps are awesome because it inflates when you're pushing and when you're pulling. So it inflates double the amount. As with if you were using a bike pump or something, it only does it 1 time. So now that you have it here, you still want to make sure you push it down a little bit to get that nice rounded shape. And again, remember, with any double stuffed balloons, don't tie both necks. It's gonna be a struggle, trust me. Just take that inner part. So my inner balloon is the aquamarine, so I'm taking the aquamarine neck, and I'm just gonna tie that. So normally when I'm doing this, I would have probably 2 balloons and I would tie them together. But just for this example, I didn't end up doing that. But there you go. So you can see the white or the ivory on the outside is not tied, and then the tie is on the inside with the aquamarine. So that ivory is just gonna sit over that, and you have your tied little mini now. This one kind of turned out kind of cool. It's kind of like a mint color, kind of fun. This is a new color combination I haven't tried before. So yeah, that is the best way I can give you advice on how to blow up your 5-inch balloons when they're double stuffed. Trust me, on a machine, even with the nozzle, it's gonna be a pain. So just get a hand pump, do it that way, so much easier. I hope this was helpful. I know it was helpful for me when I learned. It was a huge why isn't this working? I was even pulling up everything. It's almost near impossible. It's tough. So get the hand pump. You'll save yourself a lot of time and effort. Anyways, I appreciate you guys checking out this new video. If this helped you, definitely give us a like. And of course, comment if you have any questions or anything you want to see in the future for us to cover. We will definitely love to cover that for you. And make sure you subscribe because we have a lot more videos coming your way.